Imagine stepping into a world where light dances, sound swells, and energy hums all around you. It can be exhilarating and a little overwhelming, but with a few simple tips, you can transform that initial sensory overload into an unforgettable New York City experience. So, what exactly should first-time visitors do in Times Square to truly capture its essence? For first-time visitors, the best approach to Times Square is to simply stop, look up, and embrace the vibrant spectacle surrounding you. Let yourself be enveloped by the colossal billboards, the bustling crowds, and the infectious energy, allowing the unique atmosphere to wash over you without an immediate agenda. This initial immersion is key because Times Square is more than just a collection of buildings and screens. It is a living, breathing symbol of urban dynamism, continuously reinventing itself as a global advertising and entertainment hub. The sheer scale of the digital displays and the constant flow of people from every corner of the world create an unparalleled environment, making it a unique cultural landmark that demands your full attention to truly appreciate its pulse. To fully experience this iconic spot, begin by finding one of the pedestrian plazas with tables and chairs, allowing you to comfortably sit and soak in the views. Take your time watching the giant screens, observe the diverse array of street performers and costumed characters, and feel the rhythm of the city. While it is exciting to see them, remember to be mindful of your belongings and negotiate any fees with characters before taking photos. Additionally, look for the iconic red steps of the TKTS booth, which offer a fantastic vantage point for an elevated perspective of the entire square. This spot is often referred to as the crossroads of the world, a nickname that perfectly captures its role as a meeting point for diverse cultures and a global showcase for innovation and entertainment, from the earliest theatrical productions to the famous New Year's Eve ball drop. By taking a moment to simply be present, observe, and engage with the energy around you, you will not only witness Times Square but truly feel its essence. This approach allows you to create your own genuine connection with this unforgettable landmark, ensuring your first visit is filled with wonder and lasting memories rather than just a quick snapshot.